Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft Launcher black screen issue if you're using the Microsoft Store version on Windows. The first thing you should do is reset the Microsoft Store cache. A damaged cache can stop the launcher from loading correctly. Press the Windows key, type WS Reset, and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear for a short time. Wait until it closes by itself, and the Microsoft Store opens automatically. After that, launch Minecraft again and check if the black screen is gone. If the problem is still there, make sure your graphics driver is up to date. Open the software for your graphics card, such as the NVIDIA app, AMD software, Adrenaline Edition, or Intel Graphics Command Center. Go to the driver section and install any available updates. Once the update is complete, restart your computer. If the launcher still shows a black screen, reinstall it. Open the Windows Settings app, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Minecraft Launcher, and uninstall it. Restart your PC after the uninstall is finished. Then download and install the latest version of the Minecraft Launcher directly from the Microsoft Store. This gives you a clean installation and replaces any damaged files that may have been causing the issue. After completing these steps, open the launcher again, and it should load normally. Thanks for watching.